Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube on background. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to play YouTube on background, all you have to do is simply open the YouTube application. Once you open the YouTube application, you will see the premium option. It means that you need to have YouTube premium in order to play YouTube in background. If I open this specific video here, and if I minimize like this, you can see that the video is basically playing itself in the background. So what should you do if you also want to play YouTube videos on background? So as I said, after you make sure you have premium, just tap on your profile icon. Just go for the settings and go to general in the top of the screen, and then you will find this option here, picture in picture. You just have to toggle this on. Once you turn the toggle on, all you have to do is now again I want you to long press on the YouTube application, tap on this app info, then just scroll down and select picture in picture and make sure the toggle is on. Once it's done, whenever you open the YouTube and then you play a specific video, it is actually going to play even in the background. So you just have to avail the premium option for YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.